it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Well, I know you said we needed to meet and talk about that project, so I just thought I'd stop by and kind of see what you wanted to talk about, what our plan was, and just kind of what we need to do. Do you have to kind of borrow this?
Well, we definitely need to meet, and I think it's a great idea, but maybe a better idea would be to set up a Microsoft Teams meeting. That way you can share your screen, we can go through the whole project together, and we can properly social distance at the same time.
Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. I forgot to put my mask on. I'll back up too. Well, I'll back up and then we can schedule the Teams meeting.
Perfect.
Hey, Patty.
Hey, Angelin. Hi, Tyler.
Okay.
Hey, I wanted to stop by and bring the departmental cleaning kit that we've put together to supplement what Final Touch is doing around campus. It includes some cleaner, some paper towels, some PPE, a couple masks, and some hand sanitizer. And so this is just used for your workspace and other high-touch areas.
There it is.
Hey, Tyler.
Oh, I guess there's already two people on. I'll just take the stairs and meet y'all up there.
Okay,
Okay, see you later.